Small market update. So today is for the monthly close, 28th of July today. So Bitcoin, we are closing on the daily above this trend line from 20K, 14K. So if we close the month above this is super bullish to have continuation, even if we come down during the month to test the support, but we might close back above by the end of the month, or we can just have follow through from the close, although we still can come down with a week to test support and push higher or break down, of course, and this could be a fake out. Nobody knows. So for now, everything bullish. I'll take the trend lines. Take out the trend lines. I don't know why they are still there, but I took them out anyway. Weekly, as we can see, the buy was here. I'm trying to take the trend lines, but it's not coming out. No problem. Okay, so this is Bitcoin. As we can see, very easy buy here on the 21. And now we are trying to hold support on the trend lines. I think we will do kind of a triangle here or a bull flag to try to push higher from the support. There on the CME, there's a gap around this area on the 9.3. I don't remember, I need to check. But anyway, there's a gap around on the support. So supports basically on the daily are the candles close. 10.2, 9.9 or 10K. So basically it's the 12 moving average and the 21. All these are supports for retests, but I see it only after the monthly close in 2 days. So for now we will consolidate higher. That's what I feel. And then only when the monthly close we will come down. So this is Bitcoin, super bullish. Resistance on the 14K, the main resistance we have these weeks as resistance before, but on the monthly the big resistance is the 14K. If we close above, we can go 20K or higher. This can be the start of a bull run, or when the month close can be just a fake out, who knows. So risk management, that's the key. Stop loss is in place. Okay, so this is Bitcoin. I'm doing like euro. The chart is quite different, as we will see, but we are trying to close above the main resistance. And yeah, so we still didn't close above the trend line. On the euro, let's see what we do. But it's kind of the same strategy. So Ethereum super strong, was the first one to make the breakout. The buy very easy here on the 21. And now we closed above this big resistance. And now we have the support and resistance. Also this one, we are already above all the trend lines. And now big resistance will be here on this area now, 333. Or we go up and it's about checking where all the candles are closing. And then here, also a big resistance on the 384. And then, of course, we have another one here and higher. Okay, so that's Ethereum on the monthly. On the weekly, also the buys were here. Very easy here on the 21. So it's always the same strategy. As soon as we close above, wait for the retest, buy, put the stop loss below the swing low one, this or here, and that's it, and wait. Litecoin, also very easy buy. Now we are already above, finally above the 21 moving average. We should have a retest there on the weekly. We are facing resistance now. So I see buys here on the 41.1 and 40, especially on the daily. So I see here this area as support and this area as support. So you can head, we are trying to go here. This will be the big resistance on the moving averages. Let's see what we do. We are trying to close the day above already above the 200 exponential. This is the 200 simple. So if we close above, this is where all the big money also will buy. All the bots will buy above the 200. So this is super bullish, and all the buys are on the moving averages. Stop loss, it's this swing low or this swing low here. From here to here, it's safer, of course, on this swing low or even lower, but you can head. If we come down, just head, and you keep your stop loss around here. And or here, depends on what you want to do. Ripple. So Ripple also very easy. From here, very easy buy on the daily, on the 21. Another option here, and kept on going higher. Another retest here for a buy and pushing higher. So super bullish momentum, and feels like we are coming up big time. This retest was super strong and looking good, already above the 200s. So all the bots algorithms will buy here to push higher. This is the daily. Weekly, we closed strong above the 21. We got the retest here on the 12, already above the 21, pushing higher, and we can have a big move from Ripple as soon as we do these bullish momentums. And yeah, I'm not showing any other of the rest. So the internet is a bit stuck at the moment. So, but anyway, gold, new all-time highs. As we can see. S&P also going higher to close the gap. My internet is super slow at the moment, so I'm having a few problems to open the trading view. Might be also the trading view server. Anyway, looking good here on the S&P. The gap is here. This red trend line comes from a few decades ago, and I'm seeing this. If we manage to close above, it's super bullish. If we keep rejecting this red area and we close the gap on this area here, it might come down from there and test the supports again. Okay, that's it. Euro Rupee also strong. Trying to go for the 17.3, 17.6 or higher. Hopefully higher. So first resistance on this trend line. We might consolidate here a little bit. Don't know if we come down to test support, but I'm seeing the top here or even higher. For now, all looks good. The buy also on the 21, very simple. Everything very simple. Okay. Euro, dollar, also euro strong, comparing with the dollar. Then we are going for this trend line here. We got the buys here. Consolidating area here. Higher lows, and breakout. And we are